Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Learning Science. In this channel, we have previously seen the videos on the introduction of Java, Java features, how to install Java, and how to set the path. Now, next topic is to identifiers and the keywords used in Java. So, let's start with the topic. Identifier. A name in Java is called identifier, maybe class name, method, variable, or label name. Like we take one example, there is a class simple, it is a keyword, and simple is an identifier. This word is a predefined in Java and it is based on our selection. We can take any name of a class, static, public, void, main, string, args, int, age is equal to 37. It means, as we say, a name in Java program is called identifier, maybe class name, method name, variable, or label name. So it is a class name, method name, variable name. These are the identifiers that we have used. Now move forward. Rules to identify Java in identifiers. First rule is the only allowed character in Java identifiers are मीन्स जावा आइडेंटिफायर्स जो हम डिक्लेयर करते हैं, जो हम नेम यूज करते हैं, उन नेम में सिर्फ ए टू जेड लेटर्स हो सकते हैं, स्मॉल ए टू जेड कैपिटल लेटर्स हो सकते हैं, 0 से 9 तक की काउंटिंग हो सकती है, अंडरस्कोर सिंबल और डॉलर सिंबल का हम यूज कर सकते हैं. Means these are the only restrictions that we can use in the names that we will use in our Java program. Name is called as identifier. Now let's see again. Second rule, if we are using any other character, we will get compile time error. Means example, let's take one example, total underscore number. It is valid because we can use underscore, but total hash is invalid because we cannot use hash because it is not in our rule to use hash as we have seen previously. We can use only score, underscore and dollar, not hash symbol. Okay, so it will be invalid to use it. Now move further on the third rule, that identifiers are not allowed to start with the digit. Means if we are declaring any name or anything, we cannot start with the digit. We can use digit in between the name or at the last, but we cannot use at the starting. That's why it is valid, but it is invalid. We can use like this: A, 1, B. It is also correct, but we cannot use 1, A, and B. It will be incorrect. Okay. So I have you understand that how we can use the numbers in the naming, in the declaration of the identifiers. Now let's move further on the another rule. That's rule number 4. Java identifiers are case sensitive. Of course, Java language itself treated as case sensitive language. जो जावा आइडेंटिफायर्स होते हैं वो हमारी केस सेंसिटिव होते हैं, बट जो जावा लैंग्वेज है वो भी इन्हें अपने आप से केस सेंसिटिव ट्रीट करती है. मीन्स यहाँ पर क्लास टेस्ट नाम का क्लास जो हमने टेस्ट नाम से बनाई थी, उसके अंदर ये जो हमने 4 वेरिएबल्स डिक्लेयर्स करें इंट टाइप के, इनके जो नंबर हमने जो हमने वेरिएबल्स डिक्लेयर करे हैं, ये we can see that each number have some difference. And first there is a small n used, in second there is capital N is used, in third all the letters of the word is in capital letter, in fourth first letter, and then this B is in capital letter. So each variable has different conventions all are different. We cannot say that the word is number, so all four are same. No, there is a difference because it is a case sensitive. There is a difference of uppercase alphabet and lowercase alphabet. Now let's move further. Rule 5 and Rule 6. Rule 5 means there is no length limit for Java identifier, but it is not recommended to take more than 15 length. Means हम कितनी भी लेंथ का वेरिएबल डिक्लेयर कर सकते हैं, क्लास नेम दे सकते हैं, मेथड का नेम दे सकते हैं, बट एक रिकमेंड जो किया जाता है कि वो मैक्स टू मैक्स 15 लेटर वर्ड का हो. Rule: we can't use reserved word as identifier. We'll discuss what are the reserved words and why it cannot be used as identifiers. So I hope you understand. Identifiers means class name, method name, variable that which we declare. These all are called as identifier. Okay, now let's move forward and see what are the reserved word and why it cannot be used as identifier. But before coming on to the reserved word, just see some rules to define the Java identifiers. How we can define the Java identifier. All predefined Java class names and identifier names we use as identifiers. Means class test. It is a class name, it is an identifier. Main method name is an identifier. Int string variable name is an identifier. These are the identifiers and these are the ways to define the identifier. Next we will see another example. Class test public static void main int runnable and runnable. Even though it is illegal to use class names and interface name as identifiers, but it is not a good programming practice. It means हम क्लास नेम और इंटरफेस नेम को एज एन आइडेंटिफायर यूज कर सकते हैं, बट ये गुड प्रोग्रामिंग प्रैक्टिस मतलब सफिशिएंट नहीं होता, क्योंकि यहाँ पे ये जो हमने इंट रनेबल यूज किया है ये हमारा एक इंटरफेस होता है. वी विल डिस्कस लेटर अबाउट what is interface, and in previously we have used the class name as a variable. From these two rules I want to explain that हम लोग class का name और interface का name as a variable use कर सकते हैं, because string is a class name and runnable is a interface name, but it is not a good programming practice. It will not give error. That is not sufficient efficient to use them as a variable. Now let's move forward. Valid or invalid. Now let's see. We have seen some rules. We have discussed some rules about what is a valid or what is invalid identifier. There are some rules that we have seen how to define the identifier. Now let's identify which of the following are valid Java identifier. As let's check first one. Underscore, dollar, underscore. As underscore and dollar both can be used in Java identifier, so it is correct one. In second, cash, capital C, A, dollar H. These all letters can be used in Java naming convention, so it is also correct. In third one, Java to share. Here number is coming in between. If it will come at the starting, then it will not be valid identifier, but it is used in between, so it is valid identifier. Now, in teaser, it is also an valid identifier. Move to the fifth one. It is 1, 2, 3, and ABC. And then we are using the numbers at the starting. So it is not a valid identifier because we cannot use the number at the starting. We can use them in between or at last in valid identifier. Now, move to the fourth one. It is int. Int is a data type. We can also say that it is a valid identifier. Seventh, total hash. Total cannot be used in Java naming convention, so it is invalid identifier. Eighth one, all, here we are using at the rate. So at the rate can also not be used in Java naming convention, so it is also invalid. So now we understand it very well that how we can define the variable name, method name, or the class name in Java, and what are the rules that we should remember when we are declaring the identifiers in Java. So I hope you like this video, and if it is useful, then please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.